Hazrat Anas radiyallahu anhu says, when Allah's Apostle sallallahu alayhi wasallam married Hazrat Zainab radiyallahu anha, the daughter of Jaish, he sallallahu alayhi wasallam arranged the wedding banquet. So the people got satiated with bread and meat. He sallallahu alayhi wasallam then went towards the chambers of the believer's mother, as was his practice in the morning next to the night of consummation. So he sallallahu alayhi wasallam saluted them and prayed for them, and they in return saluted him and invoked blessings for him. Later, when he sallallahu alayhi wasallam returned to his house, he sallallahu alayhi wasallam found two men still chatting there. Seeing them, he sallallahu alayhi wasallam returned for his house, and when they both saw Allah's Prophet sallallahu alayhi wasallam going back from his house, they at once got up and slipped away. I have forgotten whether I or somebody else notified him of their departure. So he sallallahu alayhi wasallam returned home and entered. He sallallahu alayhi wasallam then drew a curtain between me and him, and thereafter the words about veil was revealed. Ibn Abi Maryam Yahya Humayd heard from Hazrat Anas radiyallahu anhu, and he from the Prophet sallallahu alayhi wasallam. Sahih Bukhari Hadith number 4794.